How to repost other users' video on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to repost others' users' videos on TikTok. So watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you have to launch TikTok app. Head towards your home screen. Now, once you are on the home screen, make sure to log in. Then from your this For You section, you can simply scroll any kind of video that you want to repost. Suppose if this is the video that I want to repost, or else you can use the search icon at top right and you can go to anyone's profile and look for the video that you want to repost. Now, after selection, tap on the share button at bottom right corner of the screen, and there you will get the repost icon. Simply on the yellow button you need to select and repost this video. Tap OK button, and then you have successfully reposted this user's video on TikTok. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.